Hey Funky Toy fans! Check this out, we have this so cool food from Shopkins. Stay till the end because we're gonna open 2 Shopkins blind bags. Hi, I'm Maddie. Hi, I'm Kenzie. Today we have this so cool food from Shopkins. Let's open it up. Here's a close-up of the fridge and everything it comes with. It comes with these 2 shots and some little eggs and a cup. And it also came with some stickers. It comes with a soda pop and ice cream. We're gonna put some stickers on. Okay. I'm putting mine on. We're gonna put them on. Ooh, that looks cute. Adorable. This is gonna be cute. Oh yeah, jelly. This is so cute. Here's what the fridge looks like all decorated. I'm gonna use the ice maker. Okay. Line out. And let me show you how the Shopkins usually come out. So you put them on that blue thing, and when you push that, it moves so the Shopkins falls. It's so cool because it has little drawers, one big one and a tiny one. I like how Kenzie put a little apple there, which I got, and I'll show you it. And I also got a popcorn on the top. That's mine, that's mine, and that's mine, and that's mine, and that's mine. Now open our Shopkins blind bag. Let's try that. Wow! A sundae! Awesome! I got Susie Sundae. Wow, that is crazy, Kenzie, because it smells like the fridge. Oh my god. Didn't you see that? She just got a fridge just like this fridge. That is crazy. Kenzie got Frosty fridge. And I'm going to put them in this awesome fridge. If you like Shopkins, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. And don't forget to stay tuned. What the fridge? Click on a picture to watch another Funky Toy video. Click on the question mark to watch a mystery video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.